Hello, this is Bunny and welcome to my video. Today is my birthday, that's on 9th February, and I don't see any preparation or any celebration going on that day. Well, my husband has planned a wonderful surprise for me, and I'm here to share that surprise with all in my YouTube channel. So yeah, from this year we have decided not to do the cake cutting thing because that's not part of our culture. And yeah, so there was no cake cutting and there was no celebration and there was nothing. So I asked him and he said it's a surprise that he has planned. Well, looking at his birthday gift, I assume that he's going to take me for the ride. Well, we usually what we do on our birthday, that's what we've done on this birthday as well. We went to my mom's house and she did all those ritual things that we usually do on her birthday. She do the tikka and give us shagun, and don't forget the birthday gift. That's what is the birthday gift. And my husband also did the same thing on my special day. So he brought some flower for the birthday girl, which my daughter didn't even let me touch. So whatever her father brings is just for her, not for her mother. So yeah, that's the flower.
Hi. कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
It's a surprise. Let's see where we head.
Seriously?
Just sit, we're getting late.
वही तुम्हारा बर्थडे गिफ्ट देख के सोचा तो था.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Happy birthday to you. We are going to a special place. You will be shocked.
बताई तो अभी जा कर रहे हो?
कहीं नहीं, बैठो चुपचाप तो आराम से.
And so we started our journey, our ride from Siliguri, and we crossed the Coronation Bridge. And I thought he was taking me to Kalimpong because we usually go there. But it was like getting difficult for me because he was not telling me. Ab to helmet bhi lag gaya and still he's not telling me where are we going. And yeah, I was sure that we were going to Kalimpong because that's the usual ride we usually do. And yeah, I was enjoying the view. It was like beautiful view, beautiful day on my birthday. Special day.
Yeah, we're gonna reach at some place. It is a surprise for you. Just wait for a few more minutes.
But we have crossed the way towards Kalimpong and we were going towards Gangtok, and that's when he told me that.
What? Seriously?
Yeah, we are going to that.
I was very surprised and I didn't know what to do. But then He said it's already been arranged and everything, so I had to go with the flow. They told me to go change, and my husband has packed everything. And we changed, and I was ready, and I was thrilled.
Oh my god.
Come, I'll take photo with you. So I'll show everyone he's the one.
Baap, are you sure that you're going to do this?
Every time I'll tell people here.
My
God.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
We're going.
So finally, we are going for the adventure. That is for river rafting.
So they took us in their vehicle 7 kilometers ahead from Malli, like towards Malli, and that was the river that we'll be doing rafting. I always used to see from the road to the river, but I never thought that I'll be in that river. It was cold that day. I mean, it was not that cold, but it was cold, and as I was getting closer to the rafting, I was getting scared, and I was just thinking what's going to happen. That is the boat we will be going on with those people.
Yeah. So take mine also.
Oh my god, it's tight.
It's tight and nice.
Take mine.
So the harness is on, and now we're ready.
See what is he saying? It's not 100%.
I am so excited.
God that, yes, yes.
That I can pull here and give him this. He will catch here and you will pull it from here and he will give me. If you giving this and you are holding from here, then heads will be cut it. Okay?
Some important instructions for our safety is going on here.
Here we are. I'm
So that's the surprise for you.
I know.
Huh? So there is no helmet.
And finally, almost after 15 minutes, we are ready to go. So here we are, enjoying, unaware of what's going to happen next. This is the Malli Bridge. Beautiful. It was so calm, so soothing. After a huge raft that we had, and a big wave just splashed us. And I actually thought that I was going to die. And I was like thinking about my daughter all the time. But then that's what is the adventure. That's what the guide told us there, the one who's sailing. Dear husband trying to swim in the freezing water.
So now you tell, how was your experience of rafting?
I felt I was going to drown.
Huh?
I'm drenched.
So here is the ending of our river rafting, and there's the raft going back on the boat. It was an amazing experience, and here's the birthday girl who had a blast. Yeah. There's a raft going.
So the same vehicle was waiting for us at the end point to pick us up. It was a good service, I must say. We enjoyed the whole rafting thing, but I'm not going to do it again.
I will be having
Happy birthday.
authentic.
It's authentic food, Nepali food.
After the amazing food that we had, the lunch we had in Malli, we are heading towards Siliguri now.
We're going back now.
It was such a different and lovely experience on my birthday. I never thought that this type of adventure will make me feel so much happy. Thank you so much to my husband that he arranged. He actually took an effort and
Happy birthday!